Okay, Alia, let's pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Kuatkan suaranya. Oke. Okay. Alia, thank you for joining us. Kita counseling individu. And this is first time for me to make conversation with you. Okay. Thank you. I need to talk about your activity, your progress in English class. Okay. But the first I need to know about you. Please, yes, your complete name, your family, your home. Okay. Tell me.
So, my name is Alia Nura Karima, and I'm from 8F English class. My age is 13, and I live at Sawalebar Street, number 1.
Sawalebar Street, number 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Kakak Alia, Azam, dan Atia Arifah. And Azam was my student.
Your ex-student?
Yes, my ex-student. Because I was his wali class.
Home teacher?
Yes, I was his home teacher when he was 7 class, 7th grade. Okay. And I need to talk to you because based on information, you are the one student in active English.
Yes, active English.
Yes.
I think English is my second language. I like to do it every day.
You have to,
Yeah.
because if you want to speak English well, you have to practice your English every minute, every time.
Yeah. When I'm alone at home, I would like to speak to myself like in English, whatever based on my emotion. Like when I'm sad, I like to talk to myself or my cat. Yeah, I have a cat at house.
Okay, but in your house, who your speaking partner?
Maybe my sister.
Okay, Arifah.
Yes, because my second sister is at Bogor.
Okay, how about your parents?
My parents, my mom is teaching at
Science, mathematics,
Bahasa Indonesia.
Bahasa Indonesia. Okay,
She's a teacher.
she's a teacher.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. I need to know about your matters in counseling BK. The last matters of BK that Ustazah Desi Jayanti gave you about what?
I can't really remember what is it, but I think it's about how women's supposed to dress properly, like her hijab and our socks. We have to wear long socks, and our chiput. You can show your hair because it's our.
Okay. Thank you. In your class, maybe you have a community or group for activity in English.
When I want to speak English like with my friends, I usually speak with Naira.
Okay. Naira and Ara violin player.
Yeah.
So, what do you think about your progress in English, especially in your study in SMP Iqra? What do you think about the environment that support you to speak English well?
Yeah, SMPT gave me like many ways to speak English, study English more. Like that's why I'm picking English class because I want to grow my skill at English. And there's a like the English event, but I like to join in it so I can like giving like myself an experience.
Okay, you have about 30 friends in your class, maybe.
What?
Maybe you have about 30 friends,
Shorty?
30 kawan di kelas, maybe.
No.
No?
26.
36. How many percent do you know about the activities of them in English?
Based on my search,
Yes.
maybe just a lot of them, but I think the most likely active at English is the one I usually speak.
No formal English lesson, okay? Active English. Trying to active English every day.
Yeah, I speak even like how I speak with my friends, like talking about anything that crosses our mind, talking about the weather, the food maybe, the snacks, how we're doing today, and what's happening.
And their response is very good.
What? Sorry?
They respond.
Yeah, there is
Okay.
one very good.
That means your friends in your class will be your best English partner.
Yes.
Yes.
And just like an English, like apa sih namanya? Tugas.
Ya, your duty.
Usually I pick Naira or Ara because like it's the one who speak English good and their English is good too. So I would like to choose them as my partner.
And I think you are talkative more than your brother.
Talkative.
Your brother is so calm.
Yeah,
Okay.
until now. Until now.
Yes. Okay. Alifa, how about your family? They are good now. Yeah.
Yes.
And you are the youngest sister.
Yeah, I'm the youngest one.
The youngest one. How about your father? Job now.
He's swasta, but he likes to do many activities outside, so he's not home. He's really not home. So if I want to find him, I could find him at my grandma's house or beside my house. There's like an office, his office. Yeah, I could find him there.
Okay. Especially for Azam, where is his continue study?
Yeah, he was accepted in CPNS.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So maybe June or May or
June or May.
I will go to Jakarta.
He will go to Jakarta.
Yeah, to continue his job.
Which one institution?
I didn't know, but maybe architect.
Architect.
Yeah, the one he picks. I don't really know.
Tell me about your teacher in the school, okay, that improve your English,
My
especially Memuchi.
Yes, Memuchi is like I really like her because she talks with me in English because she know that I speak.
Every time.
Yeah, every time. and she likes to join me at this event, like this counseling event. She told me to join that.
Okay.
Maybe that just like a English activity, and she would like to tell me, Alia, would you please like join the event because your English is good, like that.
Yes. Your English is active. That's the point. That's the most important. Okay. I'm very sad when I look my students, especially Tulab. They do not practice their English.
Well,
Okay.
maybe they just don't know how to speak and study English properly, because English is fun, but they just don't know how to
Yes,
express
but
it.
every language in the world is about habit. Okay, we have to learn about grammar.
Yes,
Okay.
grammar is important.
Yeah, but the most important is habit. Brave to speak. True or not? That's the point. Jadi kita bahasa Indonesia sedikit. Kenapa kita bisa bahasa Bengkulu? Menurut Alia gimana?
Karena kita selalu pakai bahasanya setiap hari,
Dari kapan?
Dari lahir.
Yes.
Since born,
Yes.
we use it.
It's not special for us, okay? Because our parents, especially my mother, our mother is orang Bengkulu.
Yeah, also my father.
Yes. Begitu juga di Inggris. Ya. The special one is like you. You're not an English woman, you're not an English man, but you can speak English fluently.
I speak English fluently because since I was child, I like to watch like English movie, like in Disney
Okay.
or whatever, Netflix, TV.
Mhm.
But the movie's language is English,
Mhm.
so I don't know what they are saying, but slowly I can understand what they are saying based on the like translate below the movie,
Mhm.
like the Indonesian translates.
Mhm.
Yeah, I love to watch movies, but the English one,
Okay.
English movies.
Okay, now you choose SMP ITE Ikro as your school because there is English course, English program in your school here. Okay, I need to know about your ambition after you graduate from SMP ITE Ikro.
When after the school, I went to go to Manly, but I don't know if I can improve my English there, because like we are busy to get our college like that, a future. But I learned English is autodidact, so I
Okay.
learn by myself. But I'd like to like find a way that could improve my English more. But
And
I
you
don't-
choose SMA
Yeah.
5. Why don't you choose SMA ITE Ikro?
My parents didn't have the money. Maybe I just scared
Oh
that they didn't
yes,
have.
yes, yes, yeah. Okay. Get your scholarship.
Yeah, I want to get the scholarship by.
I can help you to talk to SMA ITE Ikro teachers or maybe kepala sekolah. Okay. And I inform them this is the one. This is the one our student can speak English well.
But when I'm weak at like a subject,
Okay.
like maybe mathematics, I'm really bad at it. But at language, I'm really well at it, like so good at it. I'm learning Italian and Russian language right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm learning four maybe.
Mm-mm.
English,
Mm-mm.
Italian, Russian, and Arabic.
Autodidact?
Yes.
Autodidact?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah. But it's kind of slow for the Russian one because I'm currently learning about the alphabet.
Speak a little Italian.
Ciao, mi chiamo Alia, and that's it. I forget about how it
Okay, Russian?
Russian. Привет, меня зовут Alia. That's like the basic thing I know.
Okay. Why does you try to speak Arabic?
Because like it's Islamic school.
Okay.
They're using Arabic language.
Listen to me. There is a quote. If you want to your word in your head, okay, you have to speak many languages in the world. Do you understand?
Yes, that's my dream.
Your dream, okay? SMA 5, are you sure SMA 5 will support you?
I don't really know if they can support me or not.
If your parents will tell you there is no problem about their money and you can and you can continue your study in SMIT Club. Do you want to join SMIT Club?
Yeah, surely I want to join. It's like my friends are there too. And maybe Smite will teach me like this currently, like supporting my English, like that.
Yes. I can help you. I try to help you, okay?
Thank you.
Okay. Have you gone to go abroad?
No, I never.
No. Which one do you find in your class have gone abroad?
Not go Ara. Ara, I don't know, but she said that he will go to UK, but it's just like
Ara told you,
yeah,
and she wants to
go to UK or Japan. She said.
to continue her study,
Yeah.
SMA.
She wants manage Japan.
Manage
Yeah.
Okay.
But she told me that if she can, she wants to go UK.
What do you think? Have you won or many critics for this school, especially to improve our English program in this in our school? Have critic?
I think my critics are like just improving many even English even
Okay.
like conversation maybe and they should add more like Arab class, but there's no Arab class, so two English class in this at my what's namanya? Tahun ini cuma ada dua
Yes.
kelas Inggris. They should add Arab class next year maybe.
You hope we have Arab class again.
Yeah,
Okay. Yes.
because it's Islamic. Like
Yeah.
you're supposed to have Arab class too.
But anak-anak SD that like you they choose SNPIT for their study is sangat sedikit yang milih bahasa Arab.
Yeah, because
So-
like they thought English is easy, but no, English is not that easy. But it's easy when you really want to learn about it.
Yes, and you have to be happy for learning every language in the world because all of languages, every language in the world were created by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. That's the point. Okay? Even American English, UK English, Russian, Japanese, Indonesia, African, all Allah created bahasa, Allah created languages, not us.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe the point we support you, okay, to improve your English and your main English that you want to learn. Yes.
Yes. When I grow up, I want to be an English translator.
English translator. I appreciated your ambition being English translator, but do you want to be like ambassador?
Yeah. Or maybe English teacher.
Journalist?
Yeah, I want to be
No, English
journalist.
teacher, English lecturer.
Yeah, maybe.
Yes, journalist, ambassador, I don't know, filmmaker like director, scene writer, yeah. English, English novel writer, dan lain-lain, itu ya. Baik, Ustadz ingin mengambil kesimpulan dari pertemuan kita hari ini. Coba kemukakan itu dalam bahasa Indonesia, ya nak ya. Apa untuk kedepannya ini langkah-langkah kamu? Tadi kan sudah semua terurai ya. It's very good, okay. Langkah-langkah konkret selanjutnya ya, for you to improve your English. Maybe you want to join an English course. I don't know. Bisa dijelaskan?
In Indonesia.
Boleh?
Kalau misalkan kalau belajar bahasa itu sebenarnya bisa sendiri, tapi mungkin agak lambat. Tapi itulah yang mana suka belajar sendiri gitu, karena bisa paham sendiri kan. Juga kayak kalau dari diajarin orang lain tuh kayak nggak bisa kayak menjelajah gitu loh, kayak menjelajah bahasanya kan. Kalau dari guru kan harus kayak ngerangkai itu dari misalnya pertama perkenalan ini. Kalau anak tuh belajarnya lebih leluasa, mau dari speaking dulu atau mau dari ini dulu, yang penting tuh kayak masuk ke otak gitu kan. Kalau join kayak English course itu mungkin anak mau, cuman mungkin karena nggak terlalu biasa kayak masuk kelas English khusus itu, jadi mungkin boleh aja, tapi kayak lebih prefer belajar sendiri. Tapi mungkin kayak dari buku Inggris itu yang banyak ngajar grammar tuh bisa akhirnya mau anak beli gitu. Dan untuk kedepannya mungkin kalau kecapai ya anak tuh mau kuliah di luar negeri gitu, biar
Amin.
biar ya bisa ketemu sama native gitu, karena ya kata Ustaz tadi kan kita bisa sesuatu itu karena kita selalu ini kan, selalu mengerjakan
Terbiasa.
ya terbiasa. Jadi kayak kalau lingkungannya ya orang-orang Inggris juga kan, jadi kayak ya bisa nanti lancar gitu.
Pernah make a chat or conversation with someone by using social media?
Yeah, social media. Yeah, I really do it often, like talking to them in English, like my opinion, or just what I want to say. Like this RJ video is like a funny video. I rating it's like, oh, it's a funny video. I like it like that.
No. Dua arah.
What?
Dua arah. For instance, you make conversation with someone in English, native speaker. Okay. You discuss with someone as a native speaker by social media like YouTube, like something. Come on.
No,
You have not? Belum pernah?
no, I never.
Why? Oh, you have never tried.
Yeah,
Okay.
there's no native here.
No, try it. Sekarang kan ada apa? Ada aplikasi atau apa ya yang kita bisa bicara dengan orang luar negeri secara langsung, ya kan? Tapi harus hati-hati. Harus pilih-pilih orang juga. Atau sesama muslimah tapi dia di Malaysia, di apa namanya tuh, di luar negeri lah ya. Tetapi kita bisa berdiskusi sama dia.
Ya, bisa, ada.
Ada?
Iya, pernah.
Pernah. You have ever tried? You have tried? Pernah? Oke. With dengan siapa? With whom?
Private, mungkin itu akunnya ini ya, kayak akun untuk semua orang gitu kan. Tapi anak tuh pernah kayak ngechat dia, kayak nanya, karena dia tuh kayak jualan-jualan gitu loh, tapi dia tuh kayak ngimpor ke Indonesia juga gitu, karena ada tokonya di Indonesia juga, jadi kayak nanya-nanya lah gitu, tapi pakai bahasa Inggris waktu itu tuh, kayak ini nih apa.
Speaking or written?
Reading.
Writing. Oh, not speaking.
Nah.
Try to speak.
The last event when SMPT invite a native here,
Okay.
I speak with him, Mr. Robert.
Mr. Robert.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good conversation. Jadi itu ya. Jadi seorang alia itu dia sebenarnya tidak terlalu membutuhkan sebuah media institusi untuk belajar benar ya, karena kamu ternyata tipe yang lebih nyaman belajar sendiri dan mencari partner sendiri dibanding dengan belajar secara formal tapi yang itu saja. Is it true?
Yeah. It's getting boring when the teacher like teaching the most basic thing English, how we introduce ourselves like that. I really want to learn more deeper about English, like what I don't know.
Yes, I understand. I'm speechless. Okay, jadi Ustaz rasa itu saja. Ustaz bisa nangkap karena Ustaz mau melihat bagaimana anak-anak kita dikritik orang, iya. Terus terang ya. Mana sih anak SMP IT kalau ini yang English class, kan? Especially tulang. Ya. Karena kalau Ustaz beberapa kali membawa anak kita lomba, kemudian yang ngadain itu sekolah internasional di Jakarta, sebenarnya bukan sekolah internasional juga, sekolah biasa juga, tetapi mereka menerapkan English is their habit, itu kemana-mana, ke kantin kemana-mana ngobrolnya udah bahasa Inggris.
Ya, karena sering ngomong kayak sehari-hari kayak bagaimana kita ngomong sekarang nih, sering ada sama kawan Naira itu dan Ara itu.
That we need from our students. Kalau seandainya lebih banyak lagi, lebih terasa nuansa kelas Inggris itu, ya. Maybe for the next year, you can be my role model, okay, for your friends, for all your friends, Tulap and Tolibat, how to speak English well, how to be an active talker, okay, tanpa rasa takut, ya. Our program is brave to speak, dare to speak.
Ini ada dua yang penting kalau mau ngomong bahasa Inggris lancar.
Yeah.
Yang pertama biasain ngomong bahasa Inggris itu sendiri gitu.
Okay.
Nggak ada kayak apa omong aja semuanya gitu loh. Nah yang kedua bisa cari teman yang setara gitu loh, yang tahu gimana ngomong bahasa Inggris juga gitu. Ini ngomong biasa aja kayak ngomong gimana kita sekarang ini, gitu loh, kayak mau ke kantin ngajaknya gimana, kalau mau ke WC gimana, kalau sesuatu gimana responnya gitu.
Tapi di atas itu semua seperti yang saya bilang tadi ya, first, every languages in the world, including English, was created by Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. Ya. Kemudian lagi kita berbahasa itu untuk Allah. Itu motivasi tertinggi loh ya. Jadi jangan ada rasa sosokan segala macam. Oke. Dan kita harus menguasai bahasa Inggris karena memang kita masih hidup di dunia yang dimana-mana butuh, yang kita disikirkan orang jika kita tidak bisa berbahasa Inggris, ya. Kemudian untuk kedepannya kita akan butuh muslimah seperti Alia misalnya nanti kalau sudah dewasa, ya. Kalau sekarang kan you grow up, you can explore your English everywhere. Tetapi suatu saat nanti itu akan digunakan untuk pencerahan Islam dan sudah banyak. Ustaz sudah lihat kajian-kajian muslimah yang pakai bahasa Inggris ya, luar biasa ya. Artis-artis itu kan rata-rata bisa bahasa Inggris, tapi untuk apa gitu? Sementara dia ada community of artist, dia sudah berhijab gitu ya, tapi dia membentuk kelompok-kelompok yang dia berdakwah, kemudian menyebarkan Islam with their English. Itu yang kita tuju.
Karena mungkin orang Inggris juga belum banyak tahu tentang Islam, jadi kita kayak pakai bahasa kita.
Yes.
Kayak apa ya, ngasih dakwah dalam bahasa Inggris biar mereka lebih paham gitu.
Yes. Oke. Lekmos seperti ikro. Apa? Let me put the word into my hand with my power,
And
my mind. Oke. Ya, salah satu powernya itu English loh. Ya, tapi jangan lupakan kesolehan karena itu for my future after death. Okay, the real life. Thank you very much, Alia. Nanti di kelas 9 tentunya masih dengan Ustazah Desi, tetapi sesekali BK itu bisa saja kalau Ustaz butuhkan nanti kita bicara. Karena di BK itu bukan cuma permasalahan loh ya. Di BK itu bagaimana anak-anak Ustaz menggapai cita-citanya. Kayak Ustazah Desi tadi kan di kelas 8 itu materinya mimpi, untuk berani mimpi untuk cita-cita like you are. Okay. Ya satu lagi di BK itu bagaimana anak ustadz ini punya masalah dengan pembelajarannya, gitu kan ya. Bagaimana memilih skillnya yang tepat, eksplorasi skillnya yang tepatnya itu semuanya diskusi di BK. Oke, nggak apa-apa sering-sering diskusi sama Ustazah Desi, Nita, atau Ustadz Ivan juga nggak apa-apa. Oke, thank you very much. Kita tutup dengan lafaz hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin dan doa kafaratul majelis. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Thank you.
Thank you for inviting me to this counseling.
Thank you for joining me. Thank you for having me. Sit.